if Fujifilm lose the plot and forget to collect this beautiful GFX100RF, I'll possibly attach this hand grip to it full time, maybe. Let's check it out. Good old silica gel and the grip itself. Let's see if we can keep this in focus. Right, so aluminium alloy. Nice, no branding. Happy about that. Silicon, fairly spongy grip. Also happy about that. No surprises on the back and no innovation on the inside. We do have silicon padding all the way around to keep things nice and protected, but no card slot. It's disappointing. On the bottom, looks like speak port and the battery door is good. We've got a 1/4 inch there, and we've got, of course, the Arca Swiss. All important. Well, yeah, better get it on the camera then. On the camera then, all fits and feels almost perfectly. Nothing on the sides is blocked. We can get to the battery at the bottom, and the texture is actually rather nice. Silicone doing the job there. Now, as with the XC5 one, the shade is slightly off if you're being picky. Maybe we'd wear that or get worse actually. But yeah, that's probably the minor gripe. What I'm absolutely loving is the clean look, and clearly the Arca Swiss is doing the job, and we get the whole run to, you know, if you need to adjust, you can adjust, but I like to be central. I think that's central. What more do we need to say? Everything fits, feels well. So no branding, decent texture, access to the battery. The speaker's not blocked, which is under here, which maybe you should take this off so you can see. You know, we can get in where we need to get in. Speaker port is not blocked. I guess that's where the tool would go, that there isn't a tool. Maybe you could slide one in there if need be. And it was absolutely, it's too easy to fit basically. So, you know, it's supposed to be a simple thing, but it feels well machined. I guess if we turn the thing round a bit so you can have a look across the back, it's absolutely fine. Sorry about the big shiny lights. Now you can get it in silver, of course, which you might prefer for this body. I've got it in black just because I prefer the black body, but we've got Fujifilm's silver one. So yeah. What about the price though? If I were to own the GFX100RF, I think the practical choice for me would be to fit this hand grip full time, especially if I was going to use it on a tripod a lot. Of course, there's no L bracket for your vertical shots. That'd be a different story. From what I can see online, this would be the grip for me. The others either have wooden handles, which I appreciate a lot of you like, and they have branding, which I think detracts from such an expensive camera. Now, on my video about the XC5 hand grip, which is over there, I said that the JJC had reached small rigs level of comfort, but the decision to not include branding on this one put it beyond that, for me at least. One thing that some of you commented on was the thumbs up grip on my XC5 that I got from JJC, and they read the comments and decided to send me the better version, which I'm going to throw up as I'm talking so you can see if it's actually better or not. Anyway, I didn't get a thumbs up grip nor a shutter button for this camera, and that's okay. It's just a shame that they didn't include the card slot innovation on this model. It's also a shame that I have to send this GFX100RF back to Fujifilm UK, but at least I have a hand grip to remember it by.